Yeah, respect the Mother Divine. From the beginning of time, respect the Mother Divine. She sit on the throne from the start of time. Honor the Mother like we honor the Father. Both of them one source, one power. Respect the Mother Divine. This if we realign the sacred design. Masculine, feminine, both combined. That are the truth where them hide long time. Yeah. Mother from the beginning, she create life. Hold the balance through joy and strife. But them suppress her, hide her name. Rewrite history, distort the flame. We grow up only hearing about the Father. But where the Mother, where is she after? She there still, but them silence our voice. Now we wake up and we make the choice. Open your mind, see the truth in the design. Both align, masculine and feminine, divine. Respect the Mother Divine. She sit on the throne from the start of time. Honor the Mother like we honor the Father. Both of them one source, one power. Respect the Mother Divine. This if we realign the sacred design. Masculine, feminine, both combined. That are the truth where them hide long time. Hey, Father Divine, me honor your same way. Strength and protection guide the day. But Mother Divine bring nurture and grace, both necessary. We balance this space. No more division, no more disguise. We see the truth with awakened eyes. Two aspects of God now we understand. Balance the energy across the land. Mother, Father, sacred union divine. Balance, restoration. Respect the Mother Divine. She sit on the throne from the start of time. Honor the Mother like we honor the Father. Both of them one source, one power. Respect the Mother.